Give me that.
It's my cell phone. My cell phone.
Wala ka get cellphone. Bala. Kaya wala cellphone to. Gamit ka, gamit. No. Brush your teeth first. Di ka nag-brush teeth. Wala to. Toto is very good. Kaya wala to. Kian didn't brush teeth. No, Kian, give it to Toto. Toto brush his teeth. You didn't brush your teeth. Kaya to Toto. Toto.
I want mom.
Want mama. You want mama? Why? Mom, he didn't brush his teeth. He put on a toothpaste, put in his mouth, and spit it out. No cell phone. You didn't brush your teeth.
Baby. May tama tubig ka, mo kung nagpa-brush yan.
Why he didn't brush his teeth?
May sakit ang to.
No sakit. Amo isda, baba na.
Nagpa-brush na kami pero naman. Mama.
Yung pong PNDS, kasama po yung rider at consumer, they are under protection. In fact, nagpapasalamat po radio for your information.
He didn't brush his teeth.
Protektahan ang karapatan ng mga rider.
Hindi, no cell phone tonight. No cell phone. No cell phone.
Information tungkol sa pagwawalang hiya.
Masuba ka karon kanong buti na. Abi, masimotis mama ka, Bi.
Patagaan mo na si mama mo. May ano ka lang, pero may huwag ka kapati ka, papa.
Mamilk ka. May nang beto ka milk. May nang milk siya. Ano yung nanay?
Tacho, rama pala. Araw, ay di kawa.
Magandang hapon po, Attorney Yating Lasan. Sir, pwede ba natin masuspend ang lisensya nito?
We're crying. Ano ginagawa mo doon?
Give ba ako cellphone ha?
Cellphone. Ang robot ni Nonoy na utod. Ano na yun? Diyan, tamat lang. Tamat sige.
Revoke na lang, sir. Ako bahala sir. Bakit kita, sir? 100 million% ang biyat lupa. Ang lalaking lisensya kung hinayupak ng pulis nito. Kasi pagkakasalanan rin ito kaso kriminal.